Coming through with that Vice 12.
It's going motherfucking on.
Turn the lights on. One bottle, 4 hands, 2 bodies, and 3 orgasms. 2 for you, 1 for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
4 hands, 2 bodies, 3 orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
So what's up, y'all? Like I said, I'm coming through with that Vice 12 copper headband. You see those combs too. 3rd comb right there. The not necessarily a cap, they got drawstrings or whatever, but you know, this is what that lace is looking like. And so we're gonna get into this install. Now I am not fully adhering this down. I am using the lace bond gel so that I can remove it with water when I am ready. This also protects your edges, so if you want protection on your edges, things of that nature, I suggest using that. And this is what she looks like after I straightened her. I like the look, but I wanted something more, you know, me. So yes, straightened her, got her all nice and blended with my Ruby Kiss makeup, and now I'm just going to apply it straight to where I put the gel. It's that simple, literally. And see, that's what she looks like. Cutting off the rest of that lace that don't look too, you know, now it looks like I need it. Going through, spray it, tack it down. Now I'm just using the comb to get my natural looking edges, because that's what I like. I didn't give edges with this unit, even though it looks really good. It kind of thinned out when I pressed it, so I didn't do no edges or nothing. And I do blow dry on cool and then hot and then cool and hot when I am not using a cap. It seems to adhere better or secure better or whatever you want to call it. And so that's what it's looking like. Looking like it's coming straight out my scalp, like I got ginger hair. And so I'm gonna just do the same thing multiple times, making sure that it's adhered. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my elastic band on. Like literally it took me 40 minutes, y'all, to install this. Brush it out because it's straight, so you can brush it out easily and simply. This hair is very soft, but again, it did get kind of thin when I pressed it out, so you know, but it's cool. It is pretty. I love it. And that's what it looks like. So if you like videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when videos come up. Yes, as you can tell, I was feeling myself.